Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book a practical driving test on the DVSA website and how to find an earlier slot faster using the Booking Assist extension. This is helpful because test dates open up randomly and get taken fast. First, go to the DVSA booking website and click the green Start Now button. Choose car, enter your driving license number, answer the question, then continue. Pick your test center, then choose a date and time. If you're changing an existing test, go to the DVSA Change Test page, click Start Now. Enter your license number and test reference, then continue. Click Change Next Test Center, enter the first part of the postcode that you want, and tap Find Test Centers. On the results page, open Booking Assist, type your preferred center name, and then press Search. If nothing shows, press refresh again, then search again. Keep repeating until a date appears. And when a date shows, click it immediately, pick your time quickly, then hit continue to hold it for 15 minutes. Finish the booking and payment within that time. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.